Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel and also on this video. So you can WhatsApp us for training. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the next one that we'll cover today is the Lansdowne Court to Gunter Grove. So let's look into this. So these are our 2 points. So like always, we are traveling from green towards the red point. So we can zoom in. So just click on this point and come down here. And just keep going down. And just avoid the sidelines like always. I mentioned that because that is important. And then you turn towards this side. Then you keep going straight. Straight from here. Straight here. And then from here we'll come down. And you can see this is a one-way. And the arrow is pointing towards us. So we'll just go this way. And then from here we'll come down. So keep going down from here. Just follow this road the way it is. And then we'll come down here, 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 and then this way. And then just keep going straight. Straight, straight. I'll just show you where the point is. So that's where our point is. We can come down here from this side. So you'll come down here. So keep going down. So down from here. From here. So straight down. Straight down here. And then from here again, keeping the same road, and keep going down. That's quite straight route, and we can see this is the one way, so we can't go here, right? So we'll come down from here and then turn this way, and then we can go back up, and then we can simply get to our point here. So that's quite simple, but it has come in the exam a few times as well. So yeah, so that's the most direct and straight route that we can see from this green point to this red point. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.